Bitcoin's price action in the last few days. Let's go to a weekly chart where the new weekly candle has just opened. So we have some divergence in the RSI, which shows or potentially shows a lot of the momentum pushing it down. There was quite a lot of buying pressure. If we zoom in a bit, so we have an anchored VWAP from the top, we have a volume profile from this leg down, value area high, point of control, value area low. You can see that the Bitcoin weekly candle opened after a bull hammer above the value area low, which was a good sign to reclaim that on a high time frame. If we go down to the daily, we can see on the daily there are fair value gaps on the way up. Now, the one that interests me the most for short is about 69 to 70k. Of course, we would observe price action when we get there, and I do have an alarm set to observe, to notify me of the price action when it gets there. I'd want to see like a daily close below the fair value gap if I had no drawdown on my account, so I could take more risk and just ape. Because this is significant in my view. Okay, so RSI on the daily still has quite a bit to come up until it's oversold. So we could have some more petrol in the tank to get us here. We might be going down for a higher low. Currently, we just have a lower low. You could call that a higher low, lower high. You could say that on the daily there is an uptrend forming. So it would make sense to, come down for a higher low. And what particular range could we expect that higher low to be? If we use a Fibonacci in conjunction with the support confluence, so 63.3 to 62 would be a healthy range. If it did take out the previous higher low, it could be sweeping liquidity. Depends on where the candle closes, but it could also be just going straight down into the 50k region. So from a 1 hour perspective, we haven't broken market structure yet. A break of market structure would be the 65.5. But if we go down to the 30-minute, that was a higher low, and it's been taken out, and it's now being on the lower time frames acting as some resistance. So this could be the first sign of a decent drift down, maybe by 4% or more, down to 62. The RSIs are resetting, which is good. All right, thanks for listening.